Sorry, Marilyn, we're having a rain shower.
Really?
Yeah, we're having a rain shower, but it's like funny. You can even see. But even though there's a rain shower,
There's like a little cloud coming over.
and it's still bright and sunny.
That's so great. Perfect. You're going to see a rainbow.
Oh, that's true. Anyway, I just had to catch it because it was light drizzle, then it came down heavy, but it's sort of passing through. Anyway, oh my God, I think it's the only life. I'm sitting here thinking, why do I live in Canada again? Which I think every time I come back here, but I'm sure I'll be sobered up once I go up country.